Knowing how to use a balance scale correctly is vital for precise measurements. Balance scales provide reliable measurements in various sectors like education, healthcare, and industry. Proper setup, calibration, and environmental stability are crucial for accurate results. Regular maintenance ensures the longevity and precision of balance scales. Weighing instruments are essential tools for measuring weight or mass accurately. Balance scales operate on the principle of equilibrium, comparing an unknown object's mass with known weights for accurate measurement. A balance scale has a horizontal beam with pans on either side. When the object and the known weights are balanced, you get an accurate measurement. This straightforward mechanism allows for precise readings when properly calibrated. There are various types of weighing instruments. Digital scales use sensors for quick, accurate readings. Balance beam scales rely on a mechanical balance for precision. Spring scales measure weight through spring tension, while triple beam balances provide highly precise measurements, ideal for laboratory use. Once set up, place your object centrally on one pan and known weights on the other for balance. Accurate placement ensures precise readings. Adjust weights until the beam is level, confirming equilibrium. Using known weights enhances accuracy. When adding weights opposite the object, ensure the scale remains balanced. Calibration and verification with known weights are crucial steps for maintaining reliability. Reading weight is systematic. Ensure total weight on the second pan equals the first for a balanced measurement. Calibration ensures continued accuracy, and adjustments help solidify your findings. Maintain accuracy through regular calibration. Be aware of environmental factors that could skew results. Proper placement of weights and keeping the scale clean will enhance reading reliability. Regular mechanical checks prevent inaccuracies and prolong scale functionality. Common issues include wear and external factors affecting accuracy. Address these problems through routine maintenance and inspections. Balance scales are essential in diverse fields, including logistics, agriculture, and construction, where accurate measurements are critical. Mastering balance scales enables reliable measurements across industries. Proper setup, calibration, and regular maintenance foster precise outcomes. Implement these practices to ensure your measuring tools deliver the best results. Want to achieve precise measurements consistently? Start applying these steps today and ensure your balance scales are always reliable and accurate.